Hairdryers have relied on intensive heat. It's time to switch on the light. Innovation, AirLight Pro, the first professional hairdryer by L'Oréal Professionnel, powered by infrared light technology. A targeted energy source that's more powerful and respectful. For faster hair drying, less energy consumption, and no damage. Co-developed and approved by hair pros for all hair types, AirLight Pro is proven to last through intensive professional use. Switch on the light. AirLight Pro.
Imagine a hairdryer that lets you be truly free. Introducing 7 Dryer, a cordless dryer that goes anywhere so you can look good anytime. 7 Dryer's innovative foldable design takes up less space so you can pack more when traveling. 7 Dryer gives you freedom and performance. The 60 watt-hour lithium-ion battery powers a 300-watt strong motor, delivering supersonic force on a single charge. And you can use it in just a snap. Dry your hair quickly, anywhere life takes you. Being cordless doesn't mean sacrificing function. Heat mode gives you full control over how much heat you apply to your hair, ensuring the very best results to suit your hair type and style. 7 Dryer's smoothing nozzle gives you control over your style, and it's magnetic, so it attaches easily and won't get lost. Get 7 Dryer today and see how good convenient can look.